Find the missing number daw. Write the missing number. Okay, count.
3.
Count mo muna.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, write the number 3. Next.
4.
Okay, count mo muna.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, write the number 4.
How is it?
O, next.
5, 6,
Okay, write.
6, 7.
Very good. Okay.
What I said?
6, 7. Next.
1 and 2 again.
Okay, write the number 2. Very good. Next.
4.
Okay, write the number 4.
I'll do the copy at my drawer.
Next.
5.
Okay, write the number 5. Very good. Again, sa baba, count.
6.
7. Very good.
6, 7.
What's the next?
8. That's apple.
What's the next?
1, 9. 8, 9.
Very good. Oh, write the number 9. Oh, check mo nga kung tama. Count sa number sa taas.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh, next.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Next.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's enough.
Next.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, very good. Oh, show your paper na. Hold it in. Yan.